After 55, many of us start to notice changes we never expected. Joints that feel stiffer in the morning, swelling after simple chores, or that deep, nagging ache that just won't go away. Research shows that more than half of older Americans live with some form of inflammation, often without even realizing it's the root cause of their discomfort. But what if relief could come from something as simple as a golden spice sitting in your kitchen? Turmeric, nature's powerful natural anti-inflammatory, has been trusted for centuries, and now science is catching up. In this video, I'll share the real benefits of turmeric for inflammation, the best ways to use it, and the most important tips to get the most out of it. Could a teaspoon a day help you move easier and feel younger? Let's find out together. Hello, and welcome. This is a place where we explore nature's gifts, plants, fruits, and roots, that help older adults live healthier, longer, and more comfortable lives. For over 10 years, I've been researching and practicing natural wellness, looking for simple ways to support the body without harsh side effects. I've seen how small, consistent changes can make a big difference. Once, I worked with a gentleman, 68 years old, who struggled with joint pain every morning. After adding just one simple natural ingredient to his routine, he told me he could finally enjoy his morning walks again. For many older Americans, inflammation is a silent thief. It steals our energy, makes movement harder, and can slowly chip away at our independence. But it doesn't have to be this way. In this space, I focus on solutions made for older adults in America, safe, natural, and easy to add to daily life. Today, we'll talk about turmeric, a natural anti-inflammatory that's both ancient and backed by modern science. By the end of this video, you'll know its benefits, how to use it effectively, and key tips to get the best results. As we age, changes happen quietly at first. A little stiffness in the knees, a slower recovery after gardening or walking the dog, a touch of swelling after climbing stairs. And over time, these small changes add up. After 55, our joints naturally lose flexibility, our immune system weakens, and inflammation, the body's silent alarm, can become a constant background noise. You may not see it, but you feel it. In your joints, your muscles, even your energy. Inflammation is more than just pain. It's the body's response to stress, injury, or harmful triggers. One of the biggest culprits? Something called free radicals, unstable particles that can damage healthy cells. Think of them like tiny sparks that, over time, can wear down your body from the inside. But here's the good news. Nature has given us tools to fight back, safely, gently, and effectively. And one of the most powerful tools is turmeric, a golden root used for centuries in natural healing. What makes turmeric special? It contains curcumin, a natural compound shown in modern research to calm inflammation, protect cells, and support joint health. For older adults in America, that could mean less stiffness, better mobility, and more energy to do the things you love. If there were a natural way to help your body fight inflammation, wouldn't you want to know exactly how to use it? Stay with me, because in the next part, I'll share the science behind turmeric, how it works, and how you can easily add it to your daily routine for lasting benefits. Turmeric, the golden root 1, description. Turmeric is a bright golden yellow root, closely related to ginger. It has a warm, earthy taste and has been used in India and Southeast Asia for centuries, both in cooking and in natural healing. The part we use most is the underground stem, called the rhizome, which can be fresh or ground into a fine powder. 2. Science-backed benefits. Modern research confirms what ancient traditions already knew. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, and the Mayo Clinic, turmeric's main active compound, curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. For older adults in America, that can mean helping reduce joint stiffness and swelling, supporting brain health by protecting nerve cells from damage, improving digestion and calming the stomach, supporting heart health by helping maintain healthy blood vessels, assisting the body in fighting oxidative stress, the rust that can age our cells faster. Curcumin works by calming the body's inflammation signals and neutralizing free radicals before they harm healthy tissue. 3. How to use and dosage. For most healthy adults, studies suggest fresh turmeric root, about 1:1, 5 inches per day, grated into food or tea. Turmeric powder, 1 to 1 teaspoon daily. Curcumin supplements, often 500–1,000 milligrams per day, but always check with your doctor before starting. Here's a quick tip. Curcumin absorbs better when paired with black pepper, piperine, and healthy fats like olive oil or avocado. So if you're adding turmeric to soup or scrambled eggs, Sprinkle a little black pepper and cook with a small amount of oil. Storage tip: fresh root, wrap in a paper towel, store in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Powder: keep in an airtight container, away from light and heat. You can also freeze fresh turmeric. Just peel, slice, and store in freezer bags for up to 6 months. Think of it this way: just 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder can deliver more antioxidant power than multiple servings of common vegetables. And the best part? It's easy to work into your meals, from golden milk tea to salad dressings, soups, and stews. Before adding turmeric to your daily routine, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Turmeric is natural, but natural doesn't mean it's right for everyone, in every situation. If you have any existing health conditions, it's always best to talk to your doctor first. This is especially important if you take prescription medications. For example, if you're on blood-thinning medicine like Coumadin, warfarin, turmeric can increase its effects and may raise the risk of bleeding. If you have gallstones or bile duct problems, large amounts of turmeric might cause discomfort. People with iron deficiency should also use caution, as turmeric may reduce iron absorption in some cases. And while most people tolerate turmeric well, some may experience mild stomach upset if they take too much at once. Starting small and increasing slowly can help your body adjust. Also, supplements often contain concentrated curcumin, which is much stronger than the turmeric you cook with. That's why following the dosage on the label and checking with a healthcare provider is essential. Or to remember, your safety comes first. With the right approach, turmeric can be a powerful ally in supporting your health for years to come. Turmeric is more than just a spice. It's a small golden gift from nature, one that can help support your joints, protect your cells, and keep you moving with more comfort and confidence. Every healthy choice you make today can add up to a stronger, more active tomorrow. And sometimes all it takes is one new habit to create real change. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend or family member. You might be giving them the key to less pain and more freedom in their daily life. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried turmeric before? Or is there another plant, fruit, or vegetable you'd like me to cover next? And if you enjoy learning about natural ways to stay healthy after 55, consider subscribing so you won't miss the next video. Your health journey starts with one step. Take it today.